Hello Shiba and holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the unbelievable changes occurring in the Shiba my friends. You can't believe these changes after Shiba. You know what, my friends? In the previous May month, the Shiba price very highly increased, but now in this time, my friends, nowadays the Shiba is again, I think, going good. But unfortunately, in the previous June month, June month is the completely bad month of the Shiba Inu. You know what, my friends? The completely price of the Shiba Inu is fast down from in the June month, my friends. You can see here, my friends. Before discussing more about the Shiba Inu, if you are new to my channel and if you don't subscribe my channel, so make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friend, in this time you can see if we talk about the price of the Shiba Inu, so 0.000008 USD dollar is the current price of the Shiba Inu. Furthermore, you can see that now the changes of the Shiba Inu is going positive. The last 1 hour, last 1 week changes over in the Shiba is positive. So now in the July month, my friends, there is a possibility that the price will take a huge pump. Possibilities, my friends, we can't say about the future, my friends. Maybe the price jump more in the July, my friends, but I think that there is a possibilities high 70% chances to the price pump, because you know what, my friends, in the previous month the price of the Shiba Inu is also fast down, so that is why in this month there is a possibilities to the price take up a huge pump, my friends. Anyways, don't worry about this, my friends. Absolutely, my friends, in the last of 2021 Shiba Inu will give us profit. You can see here, my friends, today, you know what, yesterday from the last 24 hours the price of the Shiba Inu is again fast down. That is the last 24 hours price update of the Shiba token, and you can see here that negative 4.69% the price of Shiba token is going down, my friends. You can see it completely going down, the Shiba, my friends. So hope in the coming soon days they will take a pump and they will give you profit. How do you feel today about this update of the Shiba token? Please share your expression in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.